What if you could model the most complex, geometrically demanding facades in architectural design with a single line of code? No manual paneling, no heavy computational plugins, and zero tedious trimming loops. What you just saw are advanced Voronoi perforations and dynamic origami structures, and they were built entirely by AI inside SketchUp's Ruby console in less than 1 second. Welcome to Video 4 of our AI and SketchUp automation series. Today, we are pushing computational boundaries, showing you how to force AI to write complex mathematical scripts that generate high-end, responsive architectural skins instantly. To find Ruby console, just head up to Extensions, hover over Developer, and open the Ruby console. If you are on an older version of SketchUp, it might be right under your Window tab. If it's not there, you can download it from the SketchUp Extensions webpage. This console is the back-end brain of SketchUp. It lets you alter or build 3D geometry using code. For our first build, we are tackling a massive trend in contemporary architecture, the Voronoi pattern. Hand modeling this in SketchUp is virtually impossible because of the irregular cell-based mathematical logic. To crack this, we use our meta-prompting workflow. First, I ask Gemini to map out the mathematical coordinate logic for a localized Voronoi cell network and convert it into a developer blueprint. Now, we take this exact prompt and feed it into an AI coding agent. We can use any AI coding agent, such as GPT, Claude, or Codex. I'm using Codex in this example. We take this blueprint and feed it into Codex, the absolute king for rendering complex multi-line structural code. Within seconds, Codex delivers our clean, optimized Ruby script. Let's copy the code, select our face, paste it into the console, and run it. All right, we got a standard Ruby coordinate error, but don't panic. This is where the AI workflow shines. You don't need to know how to debug code. We just copy the raw error code out of the console, paste it straight back into Codex, and say, fix this error. Codex rewrites the geometry loop instantly. We copy the updated script, paste it back into the console, hit enter, and look at that. A fully dimensional, clean, perforated 3D architectural screen. The speed is absolutely mind-blowing. But let's take it even further into advanced generative design. For our second example, we want an origami-inspired folded kinetic facade that mimics dynamic sun shading panels. We jump back into Codex and prompt it to generate a script based on triangulated origami folding logic. The code needs to divide our selected face into a precise grid and offset the central vertices outward to simulate a folded paper mesh. Codex processes the structural geometry and spits out a fresh Ruby script. We head back to SketchUp, make sure our face is active, paste the code into the console, and hit enter. Wow, look at that texture! A perfectly computed, sharp, parametric origami facade built right over our selection. It handles the complex folding angles flawlessly, and it looks absolutely incredible. This is the true power of automation. When you combine your design intuition with AI-driven code, things that used to take hours of plugin manipulation now happen in a single click. Don't forget, our massive automation masterclass is dropping soon, where we will dive into 5 advanced production workflows that will completely change your architectural design speed forever. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Drop a comment on whether you're Team Voronoi or Team Origami, and I'll see you in the next video.